That is closing entries in the books of vendor company. The name of vendor company in this case is Sham Company. Draw the statement of journal entries. Big Begati.
ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್. ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮುಗ್ದಿದೆಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಅದೇ ತಾನೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೊದಲು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೀನಿ ಅದು ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಿರೋದು.
ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ
ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನಂಬರ್ 2. It is the second entry. What is the second entry? For what transaction we have to give the second journal entry?
Sir, liabilities paid, sir.
To transfer the outside liabilities. Alva?
Yes, sir.
Entry for transferring outside liabilities. What is the entry?
Debenture, 5% debentures account debit.
Entry for transferring outside liabilities at book value. That's the second entry. Here. Whether the second entry, that is the liabilities are to be debited or credited in the journal entry?
Debited, sir.
Debit. Which are the outside liabilities there? And what about statutory reserves? All liabilities are accepted, but statutory reserves are no more continuation. Now you have to transfer outside liabilities along with the statutory reserves in this problem, because the condition given is all liabilities are accepted. All liabilities in the sense only outside liabilities likely you have to assume, and in addition to the outside liabilities, but the statutory reserves are no more continuation. So whenever statutory reserves need not to be continued, they have to be transferable to the equity shareholders. Therefore, statutory reserves cannot be transferred here now. So which are the outside liabilities appearing there? That is first one, 5% debentures. Then second one is
Sundry creditors.
Sundry creditors. Sundry creditors. Then workman SP account. After workman SB account, dividend proposed dividend transferable to the provision for tax. After mortgage loan is there. Mortgage loan, and then that's all. Then that is export promotion reserve, investment reserve. They are the statutory reserves. So what is the value of 5% debentures now?
2 lakh.
2 lakhs. Then sundry creditors, 1 lakh. Workman SB account 20,000. Then provision for tax is 12,000. And finally, mortgage loan, that is 50,000. So what is the total of all these liabilities?
282.
That is to realization account. Realization account. What is the total of all these items?
3,82,000, sir.
3,82,000.
82,000.
3,82,000 or 80?
82.
Okay, 82,000. Okay, that is give debit for all these. That is debtor all these items. So what is the narration to be given for this one?
Being outside of liabilities paid at book value.
Being outside liabilities are transferred at book value. Okay. So then after this one, we have to go for the next entry. What is the next entry we have to give here?
Purchase consideration.
Purchase consideration means here all the assets are acquired asset book value except debtors and copyrights. Debtors are collected. Okay, except two assets, all the assets are taken over by the purchasing company. So what is the entry for showing the purchase consideration due from the purchasing company? What entry we have to give? Entry number 3, that is for sale of assets. What is the entry to be given for the sale of assets to the purchasing company? Entry for sale of assets to the purchasing company. The entry is purchasing company account debtor to realization account. So what is the total purchase consideration there?
6,73,000. 6,73,000.
6,73,000. 6,73,000. The narration is being PC due. So next, the next entry is for the next entry for sale of assets to the outsiders. That is
Transfer of profit.
entry for
Transfer of profit or
sale of assets to outsiders. The entry is bank account debtor to realization account. So what is the total of sales of debtors and copyrights? That is the total value that may be appearing in the realization account also. See,
1,55,000.
1,55,000
55,000.
total value of both the assets.
Yes, sir.
That is the narration is being debtors and copyrights realized or sold. So after the sale of assets, what is the next transaction? The next transaction is what? That is repayment of any outside liabilities not taken over by the purchasing company. So already we are transferred here debentures, creditors, workman, SB account, provision for tax and mortgage loan. Out of these liabilities, any of the liabilities not taken over by the purchasing company. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲಿ 5 ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಈ 5ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಲೈಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
No, sir.
ನೋ. ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ? all the liabilities are taken over by the purchasing company. ಆಯ್ತು, ಅವಳು liabilities ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಮುಗೀತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಎನಿ ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್?
No, sir.
No. Any sale of shares taken from the purchasing company?
No, sir.
No. If not, so everything is over now. ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಮುಗ್ದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮುಗ್ದಿದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈನಲಿ we have to see whether there is a profit or loss in the realization account. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ, ಅಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ? ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ?
Sir, debit side.
ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ. ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ. ಟು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು?
Equity shareholders.
To equity shareholders account. So what is the amount of profit or loss there?
10,000. 10,000, sir.
10,000. So both sides it is 10,000. So realization account entries are over. That is narration being profit anta ಬರೀರತ್ತ balance ಅಂತ. Balance in realization account transferred to equity shareholders. Over. So after the completion of realization account, the next entry is to be given. ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು next entry? After realization account, which account you are going to prepare? After the completion of realization account, which is the next ledger we are going to prepare?
Purchasing company.
Purchasing company. In the purchasing company, entry is to be given for receipt of PC only. Only one entry adike. PC due ತೋರಿಸಬಾರದು. PC due already ತೋರಿಸಿರ್ತೀವಿ. That is there in the entry number 3. ಅದಲ್ವಾ? Entry for receiving a purchase consideration ಇರಲಿ. Next is entry for receival of PC. Okay, so what is the entry for receival of PC? Which are the items are modes of discharge given? ಏನೆಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
No, sir.
No. If not, what is our assumption?
So it is paid in shares.
PC should be payable. They have to pay off. But the source or modes of payment is not given there. Then what the rule is going to state? We have to assume that the whole amount of PC is paid in the form of
Equity shares.
ಏನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ?
Shares, sir.
ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬಂದು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ purchasing company account debtor to purchasing company account. So what is the total amount of PC due from the purchasing company? That is 6,73,000. Same amount to be posted here. So narration is being PC received shares, being purchase consideration received in equity shares. Over. So after the purchase income account, which is the next account we are going to prepare? How account ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Equity.
You have to prepare the equity shares account. in the equity shares, we should not give the entry for receival of the equity shares because already it is there in the 6. Okay, in respect of the equity shares, we have to give entry for sharing of those shares or distribution of those shares to the preference holders and equity shareholders. Okay, so entry number 7 for that is sharing. Entry for sharing equity shares to preference shareholders and equity shareholders. ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, now tell me what is the entry for sharing the shares in purchasing company to equity shareholders and preference shareholders. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. They are the receivers, preference shareholders, account debtor, equity shareholders, account debtor. ಇವ್ರಿಬ್ಬರು ಡೆಟಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, both are to be given to the two equity shares in purchasing company account. Okay, so go to the discharge of PC where we are given sharing to the preference holders and equity shareholders maybe in the capital ratio. Capital ratio ದಲ್ಲಿ share ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದೆಯಾ working?
Yes, sir.
Yes. In that working, what is the amount of shares given to preference shareholders?
2,99,110.
2,95,000.
99, sir.
99,000.
110.
110. Then the amount of share given to the equity holders.
3,73,890. 90.
890. So the total amount is 6,73,000 rupees. Okay, so that is narration is being. Equity shares received in C divided or distributed, whatever the word I can use, divided to equity shareholders and preference shareholders in capital ratio. Correct, capital ratio thane?
Sir.
Yes, because rate ratio is not given. So after transfer of the shares to preference holders and equity holders, what is the next entry?
Share capital account debit.
Next, we are going to prepare the preference shareholders account. Keep in mind, imagine the ledgers in order. Okay, according to the passing of preparation of ledgers, give the entries accordingly. So after the shares in purchasing company account, we are going to prepare the preference shareholders account. Okay, first of all, to the shareholders, we have to transfer the capital. What is the entry for transfer of preference capital to preference shareholders?
Preference share capital account debit to preference shareholders.
Preference share capital is in the left hand side, that is debit side of the balance sheet. That passes to credit side of their account. Okay, credit side of their account in the sense here debited, that is preference share capital account debtor to preference share holders account. That is equivalent to amount. What is the share given there? What is the amount of preference capital in the balance sheet? It is 4 lakhs.
Yes, sir. No, 3 lakhs.
Balance sheet for their capital. That is entry for, this is for, if you want, that is entry for transfer of preference share capital to preference shareholders. Okay, so narration being preference capital transferred to to preference shareholders. So after transfer of this one, okay, no more entries for this preference shareholders. Say commencing from purchasing company to preference shareholders. Only one entry is to be given for each of the ledger. Over. So in the balancing of preference shareholders, is there any balancing figure? Nodi? Any balancing figure is there in the preference shareholders account?
Sir, equity shareholders, 1,08,90.
That is equity shareholders. That is the balancing figure of preference holders transferred to equity shareholders. Equity shareholder transfer ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. That is entry for transfer of balance in preference shareholders to equity shareholders. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ?
Debit.
ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಯ್ತು? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ debtor shareholders account debtor to equity shareholders account ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So what is the balancing figure? How much it is?
1,08,90.
1,08,90.
గోల్స్ ఉందా నీకు?
890.
నీకు ఎట్లా నిద్ర వస్తుంది ఇంత కష్టాల్లో మనం కూడా వచ్చి ఉంటే?
ನರೇಶನ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. being balance in preference holders
నీకు నిద్ర సొంపుగా వస్తుందా?
transfer to equity shareholders.
ఆడ చూస్తా ఉంటే నిద్ర వస్తా ఉంది.
కాలేజీలో ఏం చేసినా చదువుకుపోతాడు చెప్పు నువ్వు.
Next, after the preparation of
కొంచెం పొంకొని వస్తాను.
రేయి అంతా పనుకొని రేపు పొద్దున 8 గంటలు వేస్తావు. అట్లా లంచ్ నువ్వు అర్థమైనా? చదివే టైంలో చదువు.
పోలేష్ నువ్వు మేము ఎట్లా చదువుకుంటామా?
ఎవరిని పోలేషన్ ఏందా?
Okay, so after the preparation of preference shareholders account, which is the next account we have to prepare? Next in the, it seems next in the last entry. ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಮ್ಮ?
Profit and loss transfer.
That is equity shareholders account ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Equity shareholders account ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you have to transfer equity share capital and all reserves and surpluses including statutory reserves to equity shareholders. Then what is the entry for transfer of capital, reserves and surpluses and statutory reserves to the equity holders? ಅವೆಲ್ಲ equity holders ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ?
Sir, credit side.
ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ equity share. This is capital, not holders. Capital account debtor. And next, tell me the reserves and surpluses, including statutory reserves. That is development rebate reserve account debtor. Development rebate. Account debtor. Then workman compensation fund account debtor. Workman compensation fund account debtor. Then dividend equalization fund account debtor. dividend declaration fund account data, then proposed dividend, account data, then provision for tax, export promotion reserve account data,